Friends, what if I tell you there's a gadget that can jumpstart your car, inflate your car or bike tires, charge your smartphone like a power bank, and even work as a powerful flashlight, and that too under $100? You would probably think that's too good to be true, right? But the company Wolfbox has sent me this Megavolt 10 Air, which can perform all these functions very easily. So in today's video, we will unbox it and put it to real test to see if it actually delivers what they promise. So friends, my name is Ram. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Alright friends, now is the time for unboxing. Let's open it up and see what all we get inside this big and heavy box. I'm really curious to see if the experience matches the claims. So let's not waste any time more and get straight into it. So here's the box of this Megavolt 10 Air, which is packed in a plastic cover. It's quite heavy in weight. On the top we have the branding and in the middle a big picture of this device. At the bottom it's written Jumpstart and air compressor with 2000 amperes and 150 psi. So let's quickly open it up. The box feels really solid and has a matte finish. Underneath, its features have been mentioned, which we will cover in detail later in the video. Directly on opening, we have here a user manual which covers all necessary information about this device in different languages. This info includes packaging list, usage, precautions, button description, etc. There is a partition in the box. Let's open it up as well. Here we have a battery clamp and jumper cable which we will need to jumpstart a dead battery. Also do we have here a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging purposes. The clamps feel solid and sturdy with a strong spring tension. They grip properly and don't feel loose. The plastic housing is thick and well insulated, which is important for safety. Then do we have here a 20 inches inflatable hose. It's not too stiff, not too soft, just the right balance for easy handling. Along with this we get 3 different types of air nozzles for bikes, bicycles and balls. And finally do we have the Wolfbox Megavolt 10 Air, which is also packed in a plastic cover. This actually feels really well built. Nice and compact but still has a solid weight to it. On the left is the branding. The buttons feel tactical and clicky, not mushy or loose. On the top right is a LCD display. Behind you have step-by-step instruction for inflating your car and to jumpstart. The outer body feels rugged with a hard plastic shell and a slightly rubberized texture for grip. Then we have a port to attach the jump starter cable, which is protected by a rubber cover. On the other side we have 2 other ports, one 15-watt USB-C port for fast charging this device and a 12-watt USB-A port to use it as a power bank. Let's put it on charge and check the indications on LCD display. So see, now on the top right there is a charging signal and on the bottom left input status. Underneath you also have port for attaching inflatable hose to inflate tires. You also get a handy carry bag with this device, letting you store all the accessories safely in one place. It's really convenient. You can keep everything well organized and ready to go right in your car. It's also very spacious. So friends, now let's take a closer look at all of its features one by one and see how it actually performs in real world use. Friends, low tire pressure can happen anytime and finding an air pump isn't always easy. The air pump station near me is either out of order or too busy. But if you have a device like this, you can inflate your car, bike or bicycle tires anytime you want. So let's now do a quick demo and see if this device can inflate my car tires. And if so, let's see how long does it take. So friends, in order to begin the inflation, what you have to do is you have to take this device and this inflatable hose what you get along with it. You have to attach one end of this inflatable hose to this unit, something like this. You just have to roll, and the other end to your car tire valve, something like this. After that, you must turn this device on by long pressing the power on and off button. You can also select the desired pressure unit you prefer. I prefer bar, so let me switch to that. Once it's turned on, it will show you the current tire pressure. You can increase or decrease the desired pressure by pressing plus and minus buttons on this device. And once you have set the pressure, you have to single press the power button and it will start inflating. Friends, if your car battery dies and the car won't start, it can be really frustrating. But if you have this device along with you, you can jump start your car yourself in just a few seconds. This device has a high capacity 2000 ampere jump starter that can instantly jump start 12-watt car battery up to 30 times. I don't have a dead battery to show you how you can do it, but using it is really simple. First, ensure that the Megavolt 10 Air has enough charge. Plug in the intelligent jumper clamps into the device. Connect the red clamp to positive plus terminal of your car battery and the black clamp to the negative terminal. Once the connection is secure, start your car. The device will provide the necessary boost to crank the engine instantly. After the car starts, disconnect the clamps safely in reverse order. Compact yet powerful, the Megavolt 10 Air makes jump starting your vehicle quick, safe and hassle-free. Guys, what I really like about this device is that it's not just for your car, you can also use it in your daily life as a power bank to charge your smartphone, tablets or other gadgets as well. Guys, I have here my smartphone and a tablet and I will try to charge both of them with the help of this Wolfbox Megavolt 10 Air. So let's start. First of all, you will need the charging cable which you have to insert in the USB-A port of the device. Then obviously you need to turn on the device by long pressing the power on and off button. And finally insert the other end of this cable into your smartphone. And as soon as you do that, it must start charging your phone. See, it's working. In the similar way, you can charge your tablet or even laptop. It works flawlessly. So friends, it's a simple but essential feature that adds everyday convenience beyond just jump starting your car. Guys, this device also comes with a powerful built-in LED flashlight which can be a game changer in low light or emergency situations. Whether you are checking your car at night or stuck somewhere in the dark, this feature can make a big difference. So let's now talk about my personal opinion. I feel it's actually a very practical device to have in your car. What I like is the multifunctionality. Instead of carrying separate tools, you get a jump starter, tire inflator, power bank and a flashlight all in one compact device. In terms of performance, it does the job well. The tire inflator is quick, the jump starter feature is reliable and the power bank is handy in emergencies. Another big plus for me is the pricing. At just $99, it feels very budget friendly considering you are getting 4 useful functions in just one device. If you had to buy all these separately, it would definitely cost much more. So the value here is quite strong. It's the kind of device that can truly be a game changer and in the right situation, a real lifesaver. Overall, in my opinion, it's a very smart and useful investment, especially for those people who travel a lot or like to stay prepared. So friends, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. You can buy this device with a link in the description box. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting tech videos and honest reviews. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and Jai Shri Krishna.